So in Quebec, we can easily have access to clean water at home, at school, or in any other establishment, and we don't have to walk a long way to get that clean water. Unfortunately, that isn't the case in the rest of the world, especially in low and middle income countries. Still today, over 849 million people don't have access to clean water, which represents more than 12% of the global population, which is huge. The lack of improved water service have large effect on the health of the population and on the economy. Contaminated water is one of the main disease transmitter in the world. It can transmit disease such as diarrhea, cholera, and polio. Contaminated water is the cause of over 502,000 diarrheal deaths per year, which is a huge number of deaths just by drinking non-clean water. In low and middle income countries, 38% of the healthcare facility don't have access to clean water. 99% of them don't have proper sanitary equipment, and 35% of them don't have access to water for hand washing. By simply giving access to clean water to everyone in the world, we could prevent the death of 361,000 children that are aged under 5 years old each year. That's a huge number. Just for the children that die of contaminated water disease that we could prevent just by giving access to that clean water to everyone. But even then, even by giving access to clean water to everyone in the world, there's over 1.3 billion people that have to walk for over 30 minutes just to collect that water. That represents over 15% of the global population, which is huge, and for me that's unbearable just to think that people have to walk for over 30 minutes just to have clean water. The energy and the time that they spend just on for survival, just for giving access to clean water and to drink for their whole family, that is unbearable. So by giving easy access to clean water, we could largely improve the health of the population and also improve the economy. So by giving access to clean water to everyone, there will be less disease propagation and less health problem related to drinking contaminated water. And also by giving easy access to that water, we could that means that there's less time and less physical effort spent on collecting that water, and so there's more time and energy that people can put on working and having more income, gaining more money, spend more time thinking about them instead of thinking about their survival. And so there's less poverty, and so the economy goes better because people gain more money and can buy more stuff, and the economy rolls. And also it could improve the scholarship of the children, because since they're drinking clean water, they're less sick, and so they have more attendance at school and have a better scholarship, and so they can have a better chance of performing in life and have a stable lifestyle. And so there's less crime, less violence in these countries, and so the economy goes well, the people have less health problems, health issues, and there's less crime, less violence. So even if it doesn't seem like a huge problem here in Quebec, because since always we have access to clean water, and it never really been a problem or a survival need to have access to clean water because we have so much, and it's like we don't think about it. But that doesn't mean that we have to look away and don't think about other person that maybe don't have that that luxury of having clean water in immense quantity. And so we should put more effort on giving access to clean water to everyone in the world.